She was a super lovely teenager. We met in the ICU, and she had a lesion in the cerebellum, very close to where your breathing centers are. So when she got that lesion removed, she had struggles with the breathing centers.
The phrenic nerves run both sides down in the neck, and they run down to the diaphragm. And so what we're doing is hooking up electrodes around the phrenic nerve and then running antennas underneath the skin that are on the chest wall. The receivers go over those antennas, and they create a regular respiratory rate.
So this is the pacer, and these antennas go like right on top of my ribs, and it connects to right here, and this is where my phrenic nerve is.
When we turned on that frequency on Macyah, and she was able to breathe and to have an inspiratory effort thanks to the device, I was like, okay, there is hope.
They don't treat your medical issues, they treat you as a person.
She's such a wonderful young lady, and to be able to bring, a new technology and really advanced care to West Virginia is so important.